project. I'm focusing on the reconstruction of the level of floods that occurred in this basin, in this catchment, in the Almazora catchment. We study different locations where we have levels of floods. And for instance, in this location, we are at the Santa Barbara bridge. It was a bridge that was destroyed during a major flood that occurred in the Almazora catchment. It occurred in 1973, and all the bridge deck was destroyed during this flood. So what we do is reconstruct this level of the flood, and also do an hydraulic modeling by using this the level that reached this bridge. So all of this area was covered by water, so it was a really important flood event. And what we do is compare with other places in the catchment, and compare the different river discharge that we model in the different locations, and also compare with historical data like photographs or historical documents that tell us where the water reached and what were the water level in different areas of the catchment.